This time you will be able to see Shippo, which developed during the Meiji period. Shippo is a craft in which a glossy yuyaku glaze is applied to a base material such as gold, silver, or copper, and then foiled at around 800 degrees. This time it is Shippo made from copper. The glaze is applied using a tool called a hose. Once Shippo is foiled, it cannot be redone, so the first layer is a very important and difficult process. Once finished, they leave it to dry. After checking that the moisture has evaporated, they bake in an electric oven. It is baked for up to 1.5 minutes. Instead of baking it for a certain time, you decide when to stop by looking at it. They wait for the temperature to drop. This is followed by a process called Suarai pickling. If you leave it like this for about 20 minutes, the oxide film will come off and the color will return to the copper. They applied white paint again. Applying it twice will give the color more depth and height. They let it dry. The piece is washed with acid to give it a navy blue color. They dry and bake. They pickle it. They add 2 coats of navy blue, then add light blue. With Shippo, the finished color will be exactly what you see with your eyes. They add 2 coats of light blue, and finally add the red background color. Only the red Yuya glaze has a different appearance and finished color. Shippo glazes cannot be mixed to create different colors. Therefore, there are over 600 different Yuya glaze colors. Since the background is large, most of the moisture is removed with tissue to save time. It turns red when cooled. Once all the colors have been added, they start polishing. They continue scraping until a line appears. They sharpen with a fine grit. After the surface has been scraped and the height is adjusted, it is finally finished by firing in an electric furnace. This is the end of the Shippo artist's work. The piece is then finished with a gold plating. The hand has done the job again.